Summary of Chapter 2. Sleep from Feeling is the Secret by Neville Goddard. Sleep, which occupies 1/3 of our stay on Earth, is the natural door into the subconscious. It is with sleep that we are now concerned. The conscious 2/3 of our life on Earth is measured by the degree of attention we give sleep. Our understanding of and delight in what sleep accomplishes should cause us to regard it as a delight. Sleep regenerates and repairs the waste of the day's activities. Any man deprived of sleep is filled with distorted ideas. When deprived of sleep, he sees everything in a distorted light. Sleep is the daily rebirth of our being. In sleep, man's consciousness is passively receptive, and any concept received within this state will be realized in the waking state. Control of sleep is a mighty force in our life. It is in sleep and in prayer, a state akin to sleep, that man enters the subconscious to make his impressions and receive his instructions. In these states, the conscious and subconscious are creatively joined. Sleep is the time when the conscious mind turns from the world of sense to the world of the spirit. The creative process is first imagining and then believing the state imagined. Always imagine and expect the best. The world cannot change until we change our concept of it. Nations, as well as people, are only what you believe them to be. No matter what the problem, no matter where it is, no matter whom it concerns, you have no one to change but yourself. You have nothing to do but convince yourself of the truth of that which you desire to see manifested. As soon as you succeed in convincing yourself of the reality of the state sought, results follow to confirm your fixed belief. You never suggest to another the state which you desire to see him express. Instead, you convince yourself that he is already that which you desire him to be. Realization of your wish is accomplished by assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled. A change of belief is confirmed by a change of expression. Every night, as you drop off to sleep, feel satisfied and spotless, for your subjective lover always forms the objective world in the image and likeness of your conception of it. Your will is always creating your subjective world, and your feelings are always defining and shaping the results. Your inner self will always mirror that which you feel to be true, and in that reflection will be your results. By simply assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled, you will be able to tune into the infinite power of creation within you, and through the act of feeling, your wish fulfilled will be brought to you. It is through this process of feeling that the act of creation is accomplished. It is our subconscious impressions that define our feelings and beliefs and determine the conditions of our lives. Sleep is the time when our conscious mind becomes quiet and our subconscious mind becomes active. When we sleep, we create the conditions of our life by our inner feelings and beliefs. Sleep is a powerful tool in the creative process. It is a time when the conscious mind and subconscious mind come together to create our reality. Through the act of feeling, we are able to tune into the infinite power of creation within us and manifest our desires. Sleep is a vital part of our daily life. It is a time of rest, restoration, and creation. By understanding and using the power of sleep, we can create the life we desire and manifest our dreams. If you found this reading insightful and wish to explore more of Neville Goddard's teachings, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for further content. Thank you for watching.